guys, I'm Sarita and welcome back to yet another styling video on Curly Tricks. Now if you're a person like me who owns a lot of western clothes, പക്ഷേ പെട്ടെന്നൊരു ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഒക്കേഷൻ വന്നു, പെട്ടെന്നൊന്ന് അമ്പത്തി പോകണം, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു നല്ല കാഷ്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ ഔട്ട്ഫിറ്റ് വേണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ നമ്മളുടെ കയ്യിൽ എടുക്കാൻ കാണില്ല. Or you are like too bored of wearing all the same Indian outfits all the time, so you want some change. Appo anganthe oru situation il you can convert your western outfits into an Indian outfit. Adu very interesting aayittulla karyam. Njan kore trial and error cheyidittu njan ningalku kanikkan vendi oru rendu moonu outfits njan ready aakiittundu. So you can wear it to any festivals, you can wear it to just a casual outing for shopping with your friends or anything like that. It will be a complete Indian outfit that you will be making from your western outfits. So let's see how it is. It's going to be really interesting, so stay till the end. For the first look, I am using my favorite black dress. Usually I accessorize my black dress with a black belt and a pair of ankle boots. So this is what I usually do with my black dress. But to create a Indian attire, I have taken this green skirt. It's a very flare skirt, a beautiful skirt, and I have worn it over my black dress. You can even never know that this is a black dress underneath it. It looks so nice. As it is, you can wear it for any casual occasions. But when you accessorize it with a nice chain or a necklace and some earrings to go with it, it looks beautiful. I have also used a golden dupatta to enhance the look. For the second look, I am using the same dress and I am pairing it with this gold palazzo which has real broad bottoms, and it looks stunning underneath this black dress. Actually, it gives an illusion of a sharara. And I am using the same dupatta which I used for the first look, and it goes so well with it. And using the same accessories like a chain and the earrings and everything, you can create a whole beautiful look out of it. See, here there are two looks that I created out of the black dress and both look stunning. Next, I am using this beautiful yellow color maxi dress that I have. The color itself is so bright that makes the dress really vibrant. It has golden detailing on the torso and has a golden belt also. So to accessorize it, I have used these golden bangles, and also I am wearing jhumki. So it gives a traditional look as it is. I have used these chand balis and I have just hooked it on the dress. So since it is plain, this gives a little more attention to it. I've used the same dupatta since it has golden detailing, so golden dupatta will go along with this dress. And that's it. It looks really traditional. You can wear it to any traditional occasion like an engagement party or to a puja or something like that. I have used this belt and I've tied it over the dupatta and just styled it in a very simple way. Just to create a different look, I tried it with a contrast dupatta. I thought yellow and blue is going really well. You can try this look for marriage receptions also. You can drape a dupatta as you like. There are millions of ways of draping a dupatta. So these are the two looks that we created with a single maxi dress. I think it looks really beautiful. Next, I have picked out my pink short dress. I am wearing a pink heels with it. So this is the look that I normally go for when I am wearing this dress. This dress has a little patchwork design near the shoulders. It has this green and yellow color flowers and all that. So I thought green would be a nice contrast to this dress. So I paired my green palazzos with this dress and it was really going well with it. I accessorized it with oxidized earrings and a choker. And the whole look had a nice traditional vibe to it. You can even wear it for any casual occasion or going out shopping with your friends or just a brunch. It looks really elegant. Dhoti pants also go very well with short dresses. So if you have a dhoti pant, you must definitely try that. It was so tiring, I must say. ഒരു ചായ അത്യാവശ്യമായിരുന്നു, അതാണ് ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് പോയി ചായ ഇട്ടുകൊണ്ട് വന്നത്. And then I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. ഞാൻ കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഔട്ട്ഫിറ്റ്സ് നോക്കി വെച്ചിരുന്നു, പക്ഷേ എല്ലാം കൂടെ ഒരു വീഡിയോയിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. We don't have that much time. So if you are interested in such videos, do let me know. I'll make another video for you guys. And do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. And follow me on Instagram. I'll link it below. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.